Hello reefers, want your zoas to thrive? Here are some quick care tips. Give them moderate to strong flow. It keeps polyps clean and healthy. Provide moderate to highlighting, but avoid direct. Intense light to prevent bleaching. Place them on rocks or frag plugs. Start low and move up if needed. They love spot feeding with phytoplankton. Reef roids or live pods for faster growth. Keep stable water parameters. Temp 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. Salinity 1.024 to 1.026. Calcium 400 to 450 ppm. Always wear gloves. Some zoas may contain palotoxin. With the right care, your zoas will grow fast and glow beautifully. Like, share, and subscribe for more coral care tips.